HYBE has a new girl group. I mean, they've been like promoting them here and there. I think they're called TUIDE, maybe TUIDE. Please correct me in the comments down below how to pronounce it, please, and let me know. I didn't get to know the names. I know they released like individual like shorts, right, to introduce the girls. I might have to check that out off stream, but I'm down to check out Meet the Girls. It's super long, right? It's like a 3-minute. It's on. Oh, there's English translation too. Well, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Is this set? Are we like meeting the girls, or is this an actual song? Oh, hi. They just having a regular conversation and the camera up in their face. Ooh, the nails.
You heard me.
Oh. Oh.
We got one meet my girls. Might be kind of new. Switch up the tempo. We do what we gotta do.
Hold up. I didn't expect all this. Bestitude. Ooh, she really getting it. Girls. I like how they spell girls too. The girls, my girls. Oh, sorry, I'm just reading the subtitles too. Oh, what an interesting new set.
Meet my girls, yeah.
Oh.
My girls and me.
Okay.
Meet my girls, yeah.
Hello. Ooh. Bring up the heat. Bestitude. Is it called TUIDE? Are they called TUIDE? Oh, light switch. Okay. Wait, what'd she say? Nothing better rules, we making new ones.
Everything falls in place. We got one meet my girl.
A new seat. This look like the back rooms. I'm not gonna lie. Well, they in the bathroom. I mean. Oh, that's a cute little like. It's so cute. Hey. Oh, set. Girls. Me and my girls. Oh. Is it called? Oh, it's Meet My Girls. Hey. Let's go. Following. Tonight. Where are we going? How many set changes are there? How many are there? Like 8, 7? Maybe 6? Oh, nice transition. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Nice. Meet my girls. Oh, it says their name on the jacket. Sorry for the pause.
Girls. Meet my girls. Squat on the right, yeah.
That is so cute. Oh, what a nice set change, and it matches like the outfit nicely too. Oh, hold on. What the hell is this? A breakdown? Okay, remix. Ooh. Who's singing in the background?
Meet my girls.
Oh, wow. What an intro. What an intro to a new girl group. ABD. Remix was crazy.
Meet my girls, yeah. My girls and me.
Ooh, yeah. I don't know how to do it, but you already know. The bandana though. I feel you. I like that. I didn't expect the whole song. 3-minute song? Comments down below what you guys think of TUIDE. I'm guessing. TUIDE. Meet My Girls. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.